Many homeowners dread the idea of getting proposals for home improvement projects, but not when it's with Pella of Pittsburgh. Why? Because we show up on time wearing our photo ID and we listen. Finding the right solution is what we do. After demonstrating the product and installation method that fits your home and budget, you'll receive a printed proposal. And the Pella price doesn't go up tomorrow like other companies threaten just to close the sale. When you choose Pella for your project, we can even schedule your award-winning installation before we leave. It all begins by having the very best installers anywhere. After a careful selection process, our installers are trained on our products and processes. And it doesn't stop there. They continue to be recertified annually. And they carry insurances that many competitors don't even require. Beyond that, they demonstrate respect for you and your home. Their goal is to provide a memorable Pella experience, one that you'll rave about. Pella installers are expert craftsmen who take pride in their work. Shopping for windows and doors is something you want to do once. We want you to have a Pella experience that is remarkable.
My old windows were starting to deteriorate, and I had to do something quick.
The Pella representatives took care of everything. They measured and double measured and triple measured.
They measured about 4 times, and they fit like a good shoe.
The bay window is going to go right here. Not only did I know it was going to look great, it was really going to update the exterior of the home.
When I got home and saw these Pella windows, I thought I walked in somebody else's house. They were beautiful.
The crew's fantastic. They were very polite and very neat.
Pella has completely transformed our home.
They just open the space up. They bring so much natural light into the room.
Energy efficiency, sound control, and I love our new blinds between the glass.
Don't wait. Treat yourself and your home to a whole new look and feel. Replace your windows with Pella before winter hits. Schedule your in-home consultation.